Okay, this is my lesson, the review. The GCF, you divide out the largest number equation, so for example, 2x plus 4y plus 10 equals 0. 2 would be the greatest common factor, so the equation would be rewrote as 2 parenthesis x plus 2y plus 5 equals 0 parentheses. The difference of squares is any equation that can be FOILed as x minus y in parentheses, and then in parentheses again x plus y in that kind of format. The perfect of square trinomial is a perfect square trinomial is any equation that you can square root. For example, 4x plus 16y plus 25 equals 0. None of these numbers will become irradical. The new equation would be 2x plus 4y plus 5 equals 0 if you were to put the square root sign in. Factoring by grouping in a polynomial, for example, 6x plus 6y plus 8xz plus 8yz equals 0, you would group two of the monomials together. 6x plus 6y, which is the ones that I decided to factor together, and 8xz plus 8zy I decided to factor together. Once you found these, you find the GCF of the two parentheses, which is what I showed you up here. And 6 is the GCF of the first one, so you would take 6 out and it'd be x plus y. And then 8z is the next GCF, so you would get xy in parentheses. So the final conclusion is 6 plus 8z in parentheses plus xy. The sum of differences of cubes. A cube is the same number multiplied by itself through 3 times, for example, 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. So 27 is a cubed root. The sum of cubes is something like a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b parentheses a squared minus ab plus b squared parentheses. The negative ab is always going to be the difference, is going to be the opposite sign of the a plus b. The difference of cubes is a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b in parentheses, and then in parentheses again, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Again, the ab will be the opposite sign. And that is all.